Welcome to Jenny's Video Diary. I'm so excited. I feel like it's time for our holiday at last. We're going away for a week. Not to Ireland or Peru. We decided that we wanted to go to Spain instead. Our flight's tomorrow morning and tomorrow afternoon we'll land. And I have just one more thing to do before I go. I've started packing, but I'm having some problems with my luggage. And there's not going to be space on the plane for a bigger bag. But don't worry, Jim and I have been reading about how to pack. Jenny's Video Diary. Hacking packing. Okay, I was told that it's important to look after your things when you travel, so people don't steal your stuff.
So, we like to hide our money.
And Hack 1 is a great way to hide cash.
For this, you can use an empty lip balm container. That'll be perfect. First, clean out the lip balm. Next, wash the lip balm container. Use plenty of soap. Then, your money storage is ready. Roll your cash into a tube and put it inside.
Hey, that's awesome.
Yeah.
But you know we're going to Spain, right?
Of course.
You've got pounds?
Yeah, to spend on holiday.
We're going to Spain, Jim. You need euros.
Oh yeah, euros.
Hack number 2 is my favourite. It's called Use Your Shoes. This hack is one of the simplest there is. First, get your shoes. You don't want the other things in your bag to get dirty. So, it's best to put them in a plastic bag. Or, if you're wearing a bath cap, take that off and put the shoes in it. Now, look at this. There's lots of space inside my shoes for me to use. So, I'll take these socks and put them in here.
Oh, wow, Jenny. That's the most amazing thing I've ever seen.
Do you know what I hate? I hate arriving on holiday and my t-shirt looking messy. Look at this. It's awful. But don't worry. I've got a hack to make your clothes look great when you arrive anywhere. Hack number 3. Just put your t-shirts in a pile and roll them up. Then you can use your elastic bands to put them into your suitcase.
Nice, Jenny. Those look great.
Yeah, they're really tidy.
And they look perfect for rugby.
What?
Rugby!
Hack 4. My necklaces never stay tidy when I put them in my bag. You know, the chains go into balls and then they're impossible to wear. To help with this, I got a straw, put the chain through it, and I fastened it up like this. Great. My necklaces aren't getting damaged this time. Yes. Jim, can you sit on this with me, please?
No need, Jenny. There's one last hack I've got for you. Hack number 5. If your bag's too small, wear your clothes.
Wear them? You mean put them on?
Yeah.
It's closed. That's so awesome, Jim. We've finished packing.
Let's go on holiday.
Wait, my phone. It's got my boarding pass on it. And my guidebook.
And you haven't forgotten to bring anything this time.
No, I've got everything. Let's go.